In Australia, we've been brainwashed. We are told that if you don't own a piece of dirt and 4 brick walls, you'll never be wealthy. But in 2026, that dream has become a $1.5 million dollar trap for the middle class. Today, I'm going to show you the alternative. The paper wealth strategy. I'm breaking down the exact blueprint to building a $1 million portfolio in Australia, without ever taking on a massive mortgage or buying a single investment property. Let's look at the math that the banks don't want you to see. When you buy a median-priced home in Sydney or Melbourne today, you aren't just buying a house, you're buying a 30-year debt sentence. Between interest, rates, insurance, and maintenance, your asset is actually draining your cash flow every single month. Property is a forced savings plan, but it's an inefficient one. To build real freedom, you need assets that pay you, not assets that you have to pay for. The blueprint is built on 3 pillars. Pillar 1, tax efficiency. Most Australians ignore their super, but it's the most powerful tax haven in the world. By using strategic salary sacrifice, you can build your first $250,000 while paying 15% tax instead of 30 or 45. Pillar 2, the Core-and-Satellite ETF strategy. Instead of betting on one suburb, you bet on the top 200 companies in Australia and the top 1,500 companies globally. This is liquid wealth. You can't sell one bedroom of a house when you need cash, but you can sell one share of an ETF in seconds. Pillar 3, the Rentvesting hybrid. This is the ultimate lifestyle hack. You rent where you want to live for the lifestyle, while your capital is deployed in the markets where it can actually grow. You aren't paying someone else's mortgage, you're buying back your time. Here is the secret. If you take the money an average Aussie spends on mortgage interest and maintenance, roughly $3,000 a month, and you compound that in a diversified portfolio at 8%, you hit the $1 million mark in less than 15 years. No tenants, no renovations, no stress, just pure mathematical compounding. The system wants you tied to a 30-year loan because a person with a massive mortgage is a person who can't say no to a job they hate. This blueprint is about giving you the power to say yes to your life. Are you sticking with the old Aussie dream, or are you ready for the new one? Let me know in the comments. This is MoneyMate. Let's build your blueprint together.